So in this picture book, there's also sound. The reason why I added sound is just like it's multi-dimensional and multi-sensory experience for your students, which is even more memorable than just being you know, running around and just like gesturing and stuff. But like this sound actually adds another layer for them to experience. When the dog barked, Charlie barked too. When the bird chirped, Charlie chirped too. When the baby cried, Charlie cried too. When Dad sneezed, Charlie sneezed too. When Grandma laughed, Charlie laughed too. When the vacuum roared, Charlie roared too. Roar. Mom laughed, Grandma laughed, and Dad sneezed. And what did Charlie do? Charlie laughed and sneezed.